Storytime with Elena! Storytime with Elena!
Hello everyone! Today's story is Bossy Flossy, written and illustrated by Paulette Bogan. Flossie was bossy. Sit up straight. Look at me. Listen to me. Pay attention. Do what I tell you. She was bossy to her cat. Come back here. I'm talking to you, mister. She was bossy to her little brother. You should do it like this. One time, she was even bossy to her mother. No, you go to your room. Flossie went to her room. I'm not bossy. Mom is bossy. She always tells me what to do. She never listens to me. I'm just trying to tell her something. Flossie was bossy at school. Give me that. I'll show you how. She was bossy to her classmates. You should wear this. She was bossy to the lunch lady. Put my potatoes on this plate, not that plate. One time, she was even bossy to her teacher. No, Mrs. Rosato, you go to timeout. Flossie went to timeout. I'm not bossy. Mrs. Rosato is bossy. She always tells everyone what to do. They do what she tells them. Why don't they do what I tell them? No one ever listens to me. Then Flossie met Edward. I'm Edward. I'm Flossie. Edward was bossy to everyone. Climb like this. Line up here. Swing like me. Edward was even bossy to Flossie. Walk faster. Now jump. No more jumping. Time to march. Flossie got mad. You are not the boss of me. Well, you are not the boss of me. Flossie and Edward argued all through art class. I'm not bossing you. Yes, you are. And lunch. Listen to me. No, you listen to me. And nap time. You never listen. No, you never listen. I'm trying to tell you something. Edward and Flossie went to timeout. I'm not bossy. She's bossy. It's her fault. She should just listen to me. I'm not bossy. He's bossy. It's his fault. He should just listen to me. I don't like it when you tell me what to do. Well, I don't like it when you tell me what to do. Well, I'll stop it if you'll stop it. Okay, I'll stop it if you'll stop it. Now Flossie and Edward are not so bossy. Can I show you how to do that? Good climbing. I could show you another way. Marching is good. Jumping is good too. Your turn next, Edward. Except sometimes. You can be pretty bossy. I know. You can be pretty bossy too. Well, not as bossy as you. I think you might be bossier. I don't think so. I double think so. Well, I triple don't think so. Thank you for watching Storytime with Elena. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when a new story is posted.